In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete unused offline files from OneDrive Cloud Storage 5 minutes. If your OneDrive is taking up too much space on your computer, the quickest way to reclaim storage is to remove the local copies while keeping everything safe in the cloud. That's exactly what the free up space option does. It doesn't delete your files from OneDrive, it simply clears the offline copies from your device so they're available online only and download again when you need them. Start by opening File Explorer on your Windows PC. You can click the folder icon on the taskbar or press the Windows key and E. This gives you a full view of your folders and drives, including your OneDrive. Next, look for OneDrive in the left sidebar of File Explorer. It usually shows a cloud icon and may say personal or your organization name. Click it to open your OneDrive. You'll see your folders and files along with a status column that shows little icons indicating whether a file is available offline or online only. Navigate to the folder or specific files you want to clean up. Large videos, old downloads, or archived projects are great candidates. Take a quick look at the status icon. A solid green circle with a white check mark means the file is stored on your device. A cloud icon means it's online only. If you want to free up space, target files that are stored locally. Right-click the file you want to change. If you have several, you can select multiple files by holding Control for individual selections or Shift for arrange, then right-click any one of the highlighted items. In the context menu, you'll see OneDrive specific options. Choose Free Up Space. OneDrive will remove the local copy and switch the status icon to a cloud. The file stays in the same place in File Explorer, and you can still open it. It will just download on demand when you need it. This is perfect for files you don't access often but still want handy. If you ever want a file to stay offline permanently, right-click it and choose Always Keep on this device. You can toggle between these states anytime. A quick tip: if you don't see the free up space option, make sure you're connected to OneDrive and that Files on Demand is enabled in your OneDrive settings. Also, avoid freeing up space on files you need when you're offline, like while traveling. And that's it. With a few clicks, you've freed up local storage while keeping everything secure in the cloud.